What's up, guys? CBR tired here. Gonna do a quick walk around of the 2004 CBR600. Ignore the weird passenger peg setup. My girl wants to ride with me as I wait for the pegs in the mail still. Coming around the front, she has Impact Tech clip-ons. She's got the aftermarket grips. They're kind of cool, kind of whack. The unbreakable levers, everyone likes them. Adjustable as well. Nothing too fancy going around else right up front where you can see. We got the Woodcraft aftermarket rear sets. I keep the stock gearing, new chain sprocket, always having that. We got 2005 tile plastic. Nothing much more fancy going on over here. This is all custom paint by me, excluding the decals. Then come around front, we have a 2005/6 front end, 2005 and 6 forks, rotors, tire, and calipers. She does have a few issues that shall be fixed during the off season. I also have to have a new kill switch coming in because mine's starting to go faulty to start. We'll see if it works out. Alright. She runs fantastically. I have to change my air filter and whatnot as well. My gauge cluster is stuck in kilos, so she's sitting only around 7,200 for miles. Overall, she's a great bike. I hate how these are, but you know, is what it is for now. I plan to be doing more customizations and shit to it. I'm going to be rebuilding my engine and new cam chain, tensioner, and all that good stuff. You gotta keep the bike mint eventually. Like, yeah, she got low miles, but I beat the hell out of it. That's her, guys.